Whether you are naturally crafty or would like to learn, there is an arts and crafts venue allowing you to get hands-on in today's Coffee With. It's always fun to talk to Angela Getz. She is the owner of Made Me Mine in Abingdon. Angela, thanks for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me. It's great to be back.
It's always fun. And just looking at your background, we should tell folks right off the bat, you can make anything that you see there and just use your imagination. Tell us about Made Me Mine.
So we are a DIY workshop, mostly woodworking. You can choose any of our projects that we offer, or you can come up with your own idea and we'll help you create it. We can do anything from kids projects all the way up to furniture and farmhouse tables, you name it, we can help you make it. So it's a one-stop shop. We provide everything that you need so you don't have to run around to 50,000 different places and get all, more than what you need. Like if you need, 12 inches of a piece of wood, you got to buy the whole slab. We'll have everything here cut and ready for you with instructors to help you create it.
How handy do you have to be, Angela? A lot of folks are intimidated by DIY and just arts and crafts.
We get that a lot. A lot of people say, well, I'm not the crafty type, or I'm not handy whatsoever. This time of year, everybody kind of gets into they want to decorate and they get into the crafty mood. So it starts to get busy and they come up with their own ideas, and exciting to help them make them.
One thing that's fun with you is you can bring groups of people, whether it's kids, you can bring adults, you can have evenings or afternoons where you have bridal parties.
Absolutely. We do birthday parties, team building.
Angela, tell us how we can find you.
So you can find us, our location is 3101 Emerton Road in Abingdon, Maryland. You can also find us on Facebook, Made Me Mine. You can find us on Instagram, or just give us a call.
Angela, thank you so much.
Thank you.